our first activity, Mind Toss, the Maritime Quiz, lit by our knowledge partners, MLA College. Please give a huge round of applause. May I please invite the representatives from MLA College, Arjun and Disha. Please join us. I'm now going to start inviting all the participants on stage. And as I take your college name, please come up. Right? Can we start with Emma? Amet IST. Amet University. Come on stage, guys. As I keep taking your names, please come. METI. Eurotech. Ganpat University. Come on stage and you can have a seat. Have a seat, no particular order. GEIMS. IMU Chennai. IMU Navi Mumbai campus. Manage. SIMS. SIMT. TMRA. HIMT. Shriram College. Wells. IMU Vizag. Participants on stage. I promise it's going to be a fun one. I'm going to hand the mic over to Captain Anupam now. Tagda hoga!
24 colleges, 24 participants. We have MLA College who will be, I wouldn't say judging you, but they are going to be the experts who will raise hands first, who will not raise hands first, etc., etc. They will decide. Their decision is final. And cheating हो रही है होने दो. Okay? So, are we ready for round one? Are we ready for round one? You guys are ready? एक seat missing.
एक seat. दे रहा है.
Okay. Start, please. So, round one. What is round one? So the first round will be a written round with multiple choice questions and the top 8 participants. Don't start now, please. Don't start now. There will be a timer. The top 8 participants will qualify for next round. Then round 2 will be a buzzer round from which top 3 participants will go to the final round. And then out of the top 3 we will choose a winner and a runner. Okay? You guys are ready? Do we have a timer on ready? Timer? You guys are okay? Negative marking not in this one. The negative marking is in round 2, which is a buzzer. So wrong answer will give you -5. Right answer will give you +5. Wow. So let the timer start now. Let's start round 1. ना मजा आ रहा है ना किसी और को क्लिक करना पड़ता. They are just looking at. इसमें ज़्यादा शोर शराबा मत करो. There is some concentration.
Start 20 के ट्रेनिंग ले जल्दी 2 नंबर के.
30 seconds gone. minute to go. Thirty seconds to go. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you very much. And thank you audience for being absolutely silent. This is required. Thank you very much. Team Offing, Team Nautica, please collect all the answers and please don't forget to write your names, roll number, Aadhaar card, KYC, bank account details. And if you don't have a bank account, where will you bank from? Which bank? Obvious. Come on. आज तो यही बोलना है. Continuously. Okay, so while this is happening, we would like Arjun from MLA College to just tell what does MLA College do.
Firstly, I'd also like to, introduce my colleague. She's Disha from MLA College. And for how many of you is it the first time attending Nautica? The first time.
Woo! That's a long
Can we have some enthusiasm for you guys? A little more, yeah. That's the inauguration. Come on, come on. I mean, I share that because it's the first time for the both of us as well.
Oh, lovely.
So, Captain Anupam, he's raised a certain expectation for us when he met us last year. And you surpassed that. The energy is crazy. We did not expect this. Trust me. So, we're very, very excited to be here and being a knowledge partner for Nautica. Just a brief context, we're a UK-based distance learning specialist. We specialize in marine and maritime programs. Disha, do you have a question or something?
Absolutely. Another educational institution. What do you do differently, Arjun? I would like to know that.
See, the traditional model, of course, is that even if you're thinking of studying abroad, studying online, you apply for a visa, you go outside, you spend a year or two there, take a break from your career, take a break from actively earning. But we feel that seafarers, especially active seafarers, should be able to learn while they're earning. They should not have to take a break from contracts, from sailing, while they are going through our undergraduate or postgraduate programs. So the model that we do offer is distance learning, which means you can study anywhere, any part of the world. Just for context, as of now, we have more than 65 plus country seafarer base, and most of our active students are active seafarers as well. They're managing very busy responsibilities on ship, but at the same time, they're not taking a break from their studies. That's what we believe in.
Arjun, another question that I have for you is, how do you think it is different from any other online certification?
Firstly, no disrespect to any online course. I believe they're very important for upskilling, but we offer proper degree programs. They're awarded by the University of Plymouth. So we have bachelor's, master's in maritime operations, in marine engineering, MBA programs in maritime operations. You can complete these programs while you're sailing and get a top 5 university in the world degree credential. So we feel, of course you're young, you're going to start your seafaring journey now, but perhaps 5 years from now, perhaps 10 years from now, when maybe sea is not the only forte that you're considering, we feel that we might be, a good platform for you to carry this discussion on with.
Well, cheers to all the Nauticans. We are here for the 2 days and we're looking forward to meet you guys, discuss more about your career aspirations and see where we can connect.
Can you give a cheer for your college to win this one? All the best to everyone. All the best for both 2 days. We'll see you guys around.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, in India, MLA is a very different meaning. What is your MLA stand for?
So that's a tough question because we used to stand for Marine Learning Alliance. As of now, we are just MLA College.
Oh, so it's not a political university.
We
Fair
stay
enough.
away from.
Fair enough, fair enough. Do we have the winners or the top 8 teams who are going to round 2? Do we have that? Not yet. What time left? I don't like this. आप लोग में से लगता है कौन? You did it. You guys, how are the answer questions? Tough, easy? How was it for you guys? Easy? How many you think you have answered correctly? Okay, you. How many you think you have answered correctly? 7, 8 correct. Okay. Anybody who's answered more than that? 7, 8? Hey, let's see 7, 8. I think my team is taking more time to correct. पता नहीं क्या है लोग ने क्वेश्चन डाले हैं समझ नहीं आ रहा. Good. So, Hood app, you guys download it? Who said yes? Hood app, download. You will win prizes. What about you can do this hashtag also, this happening here. In HSBC engagement. There are many prizes which you guys will get. Good, please do it. By the way, I have to, this is an email, of course, MTT. You guys know what is MTT? The first 3 rows, please don't answer. They always answer and mera pura khatam hai. What is the full form of MTT? Huh? फिर first 3. अच्छा, तू भी तो 3 में ही है. Okay, Maritime Training Trust. Maritime Training Trust is a trust under the Director General of Shipping, and they have been very, very supportive of Nautica. All your travel arrangements, by the way, are taken care by them. So all your train, travel, everything is being taken care by them. So I think you should give a big round of applause to Maritime Training Trust. Okay, I have an on-spot question, and my team will hate me for this. My team is telling. What if we start charging you guys for Nautica? Will you guys come? Yes. Please take note. Backstage. No. I hope we never have to charge you guys, and I really hope that the future Nauticas are done by you guys. हो गया हम लोग का टाइम अभी खत्म. Now अपना टाइम आएगा मतलब तुम लोग का टाइम आएगा. I hope the future Nauticas are done by you guys. So मेरे टीम को अभी भी मैं इतना बोल रहा हूँ still they can't make.
I've never seen them so confused.
Is this making you guys nervous?
Yeah, I can see all of them turning little trying to see.
Either today, tomorrow. You want to say something?
So one thing about participating in the hood, as Captain Anupam mentioned that MLA College merch is also included. Trust me guys, it's interesting, exciting world. So if you're not signing in, you're losing out on that. We'd be very excited to offer it to you tomorrow. Please do sign up.
म्यूजिक लगा लो. नहीं कुछ म्यूजिक लगा लो. हार्ट बीट वाला म्यूजिक लगाओ. मेरी टीम हार्ट बीट वाला धक वाला म्यूजिक प्लीज. क्योंकि मेरे को एक्चुअली धक हो रहा है मेरे टीम के वजह से, इनके वजह से नहीं. इतना टाइम तो कभी नहीं लगा. और इनफैक्ट एक्चुअली हम लोगों ने इस टाइम इनको इजी भी करके दिया. वी गेव देम अ टेम्पलेट सो दे ऑल दे हैव टू डू इज जस्ट stick it there and the answers will be ready. I think Sabi, that didn't work. We didn't do a good job. Music? Oh. Why this is not good for mental health?
I am more stressed than they are. मैंने लिखा भी नहीं है पेपर.
चलो audience question. Good idea. एक audience question. मैं पूछता हूँ audience question. Good idea. Let's give some merchandise to some audience also. क्या big deal? Easy one. Whoever wins will get MLA merchandise. With the way I heard this answer, I'm going to ask a tougher one. Which Portuguese explorer? कौन बोला? यहाँ से बाहर निकल. Why is it that when you say Portuguese, it's Vasco da Gama? Okay. Which Portuguese explorer? Question तो सुन लेता. First rounded the Cape of Good Hope, proving that a sea route from Europe to the Indian Ocean exists. First 3 rows, please note. No options. वास्को डा गामा ऑप्शन था एक. कौन बोला? अबे यार, first 3 rows disqualified. So that unfortunately he prompted and I told first 3. He is 4th row. Sorry. But anyway, who said? No, the right answer actually is Bartholomew Dias. So thank you, sir. Thank you. अरे he is also a sailor. इसको देखो यार. Come up. No, he'll come up. Ada, much okay. By the way, since he's here, Raja, anybody wants to join cruise industry, or you want to sail on tankers, gas tankers, cruise industry? Raja. So this gentleman is oh my God. Just I felt old now. So this gentleman is sailing ETO on cruise lines, and there is one more gentleman sitting there. He's a second engineer on cruise lines, and both of them, other than sailing, they also operate a counseling for joining merchant navy. They are not agents. They will. I hope you don't do that. Yes. So they basically do counseling for people to join cruise line industry. So they are called by the name of MYC. MYC. Marry your career. Okay? And we have a merchandise for you because you answered correctly. Thank you. Free publicity. Okay, good. Okay, I am very disappointed with my team.
मेरे फील्ड में आओगे जब हमें सेंटर में करना है.
फिर से ढंग ढंग म्यूजिक लगाओ आपको.
अभी टीम को नेगेटिव मार्किंग देना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, टीम को नेगेटिव मार्किंग. I like that.
Trust me, I'm going to get yelled at for saying this.
Okay, we have the top. Music. I need the music. After waiting for such a long time, we need that ढंग ढंग. बोलो भाई.
Okay. For the next round, I'm going to take your names and you guys can stand up. CMC. Sims. IMU Kochi. IMU Mumbai.
have winners and so thank you learners, thank you very much for being part of Nautica 2026. Enjoy. Please, you can please exit in an orderly fashion. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys. कुर्सियां हटाओ, 8 लोगों को बिठाओ. Oh, that's right. So now, Arjun, please sit. 8 of you sit. We need 8 minutes. Please sit down. 8. Can we have the buzzer, the hand manual buzzer? So Arjun, if you can just give some one arm distance. Reason is, so what we are going to do, we are going to ask them a question. So even for all of you, we are going to ask them a question. It is like a buzzer round. They have to raise there, please. They have to raise their buzzer or buttons. And sir, you have to decide, and both of you have to decide that who has raised first. I don't want to take that responsibility. बहुत गालियाँ पड़ती हैं.
Question is completed, you will not be allowed.
Zoom पे है कि focus पे रखो.
Another thing for my backstage. This is right answer is +5, wrong answer is -5. So we need our backstage to be very quick in calculating. Please, my backstage team who's doing the scoring can also come in the front. Become front stage, backstage. Become front stage, backstage. Become front stage. Come on. Look from here because I don't want a mess up in this at all. You're alone? Are you? There's somebody else. Somebody can even come this side if you wish.
Yeah.
Please. No, I know. I'm just saying, please don't mess it up. Are you guys ready? Congratulations to come to the second round. Nervous? Yes? Good. Being nervous is good. Even Trump is nervous right now. Are you ready? Sir, are you ready? Ma'am? Okay, first question. Please listen to the first question, the full question. What is the maximum oil content allowed for discharge through OWS? Oh.
15 ppm.
15 ppm is the right answer. Question number 2. Which IMO committee adopted the revised 2023 GHG strategy targeting net zero around 2050? No. Which IMO committee, I'm repeating again, which,
Mumbai, Navi Mumbai.
okay, I will repeat. Which IMO committee adopted the revised 2023 GHG strategy targeting net zero around 2050? Perfect. The right answer is very easy.
IMO Kochi.
Good. Question number 3. Ready? Again, please listen to the question and then think and then answer. The Houthis, you know what the Houthis? Okay, great. Attacks mainly targeted ships near which strait? Wrong.
IMO.
Which strait? The answer is Houthis attack attacks mainly targeted ships near which strait? Now you know which one. Okay, he's right, but you have lost the answer. But anyway, thank you so much. Okay, next. No, this question, no answer.
Question.
Well tried. Next question. Let me give you an easy one. LNG reduces which pollutants compared to HFO?
CMC.
Anything else? No. Sulfur and nobody, please. Nobody. Sulfur and that's the right answer. So. Let me give you an easier one now. Very easy. And sir, you'll have to be very quick because all of them will know this answer. You guys are ready? They are ready. What does LRIT stand for? And that's the right answer. I told you. Difficult do? Asan do? Which one? Difficult, very good. What was the theme of India Maritime Week 2025? What was the theme of Indian Maritime Week 2025? DG sir is not there, so you can answer wrong also. What was the theme of India Maritime Week? No. Wrong answer. Who said difficult wala do? Udhar se aaya. Wहाँ से? So anyway, the right answer was Uniting Oceans, One Maritime Vision. That was the right answer. Okay. Easy one now. Merchant Shipping Act 2025 replaced which act? I'll repeat. Merchant Shipping Act 2025 replaced one act. Okay, I will say it in a better way. You will hint. MS Act 2025 was replaced with which act? Once more. MS Act 2025 was replaced. Okay. I can't say it any further more. I'll have to give the answer. Okay, it was the 1958 MS Act, which is now replaced by the MS Act 2025. You should have known, all of you should have known this. Okay, next. Which alternate, please listen to the full question. Which alternative fuel is being explored as zero carbon but presents toxicity handling challenges? No? Ammonia is the right answer.
I.
Okay, next question. Easy one, sir. Please be ready. What does SEEMP stand for? What does SEEMP stand for? What does SEEMP stand for? Perfect. That's the right answer. Okay, next. Which fuel sulfur limit? Please listen carefully. Which fuel sulfur limit applies inside ECAs? Again, which fuel sulfur limit applies inside ECAs?
PMC.
That's the right answer. Yeah, actually. Sorry. Okay. So let's do like this. There has been some confusion. So, but we can continue the way it is. Okay. Which authority functions as India's maritime search and rescue regions? Which authority functions as India's maritime search and rescue regions? Okay, I will make it easy. If there is a search and rescue in India, who's the body which does it? Indian Coast Guard is the right answer. Ah, I'm not going to ask this one. It's too easy, especially now. Okay, next question. Which, please hear the question. Correct. Which canal dropped in 2024 affected vessels transit due to water shortage? Panama Canal is the right answer. Next question, please. Which Indian program promotes inland waterways development? Which Indian program promotes inland waterways development? That's the wrong answer.
IMU Mumbai, Navi Mumbai.
Yeah, which? That is normally what everybody would say, but what is any? Okay, I'll repeat the question once more. Which Indian program, like Sagarmala, but there is something else, promotes inland waterways development? Sorry? No, that's so. Anyway, the answer is Jal Marg Vikas Project. Thoda heavy ho gaya. Okay, one last question, and again you have to keep your ekdam, because they all know the answer.
Captain Anupam, आपने जब भी बोला है, they haven't raised their hand at all. To be very honest.
No, this is the last question, and they will 100%, 102%. Sir, be ready. Which choke point links Persian Gulf to global oil trade?
CMC.
Wrong.
CMC.
Strait of Hormuz is the right answer. We are done. I think we have.
Yeah, round 2. Yes. So while I get the results of round 2, may I make a small announcement? Futsal teams, a bus is available to take you all to the futsal ground starting 1500 sharp. TV players, you will proceed to the 4th floor exhibition hall at 15:30. This is just a reminder, 15:30.
Thank you very much. Audience has been great. For some reason, you guys didn't come. Nothing you did. Why? You always have. It has been a fantastic audience.
पहले अपना डांस होगा फिर म्यूजिक होगा तब इसका प्ले होगा 7 बजे तक है
You guys like the question? It's not difficult here. We have the top 3. I don't want to see it all. Dhak dhak music, please. I want the dhak dhak music. Dhak dhak.
Okay.
Dhak dhak. No, wait. Let the dhak dhak. Shabi sir, dhak dhak music, please.
Next.
Yeah, hurry. Top 3 out of 8. 24. 8. Now top 3. So dhak dhak music banta bhai. Please.
of you go to round three. Come ahead, come ahead. Yeah. Thank you very much. Clearly, Captain Anupam picked some questions.
Thank you very much,
Thank you
guys.
very
फिर
much.
आइएगा कैसे? बस हो जाएगी
Thank you very
10
much.
बजे जब
I am almost there.
10 बजे
अभी और
कंप्लीट
लाके
हुआ
बहुत
तब
गाली देगा क्या? मैं
फिर
almost
आइएगा
there.
कैसे?
Please support him. Mental wellness करो उसको.
4th फ्लोर पे चलिए आराम
He's
से
going to
जाते
cry.
हैं। 4th फ्लोर पे टेनिस देखते हैं। 4th फ्लोर पे टेनिस देखते हैं, टेनिस 4th फ्लोर।
Okay.
Round three. Sir, now you can enjoy. You can also enjoy.
टेनिस टेनिस
Big round of applause to MLA College. I will call you inside. So, we are going to show you some audios, sorry, videos, and you have to identify that whatever it is. Beto, please sit. And you will get a pen and a paper. My team is giving pen paper. And please, hopefully, no prompting.
This round, you will know your first medalists, by the way. The first gold and silver. So our points will start.
And okay, so guys, for three of you, there is no negative marking in this, but there is something. If you write, we are just increasing the stress on it. If you write something and if you cut it or if you overwrite it, even if the answer is right, it will be disqualified. This is exactly the way how we write what. What do we write on sheet? So ये training अभी इधर चल रही है. So if you overwrite, if you cut, okay, on logbooks you can cut, sign and go ahead. Here you come. Okay. So there is no time limit. There is no time limit. So you can think and then write. Okay. You guys are ready? My team is ready. Thank you, sir. So let's put up the first. What you have to do is, you have to identify this structure. You have to identify this structure. Okay, a hint. This structure is in the Guinness Book of World Records.
को इसका नाम भी बताना प्रॉपर कि कौन सा है।
I'm sure nobody knows. This, okay, I will give you. This, thoda sa more, because I see nobody has written. Have you written?
ये करना है।
Have you written?
इसका आज ही
Have you written? No. So this structure is in Middle East. Sorry. See, you guys are in round 3. We cannot give you something easy. Out of 24 institutes, you are top 3. So you are clearly winners already, but we have to go higher. Yes, no. Do you know this? Should we pass it? Are you want to pass it? Pass it? Pass it? Anybody from the audience? Best, that is correct. This is the Jeddah Lighthouse, MLA College. Arey sir, I just saw it. MLA College, you can give a nice, where is that gentleman. So, it is the tallest lighthouse structure in the world. It is 133 meter tall. And it was built in 1990. Anyway, we go to the next one. Identify this sea. The question mark. Identify this sea. So you can see the surroundings and identify that sea. Which, yeah, this the point.
The box that has it.
This box is a sea. So which sea is this? Okay, that's good. Okay. You done? question, please. Which is that sea?
Again, box with the question.
Done? Done? You guys are ready? Next one. Next one, please. Which is this sea? Done? What about you, my friend? Okay, thinking or done? Thinking, done. Thinking, done. Thinking, think. We don't have any thinking music? No, we don't. We don't.
Make trouble with thinking.
Done? 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 Yes? Pass. Just say pass. Just put. Okay, the next one, please. Which islands are these? You see these two islands? Chotu Island? Which are these islands? These small islands. What are these islands? Sorry? Sorry? There is no negative. There is no negative. In this, whoever scores the maximum wins. Next, runners up, and third, learn. Okay. Next one, please. Which is this bridge? Name of the bridge. Atal Setu Bridge.
Okay, while they are writing, futsal teams, your buses, and like I said, 1500, please collect your snack packets before heading to the ground.
कूपन दिया कि स्नैक के लिए स्नैक इसके बाद चलेंगे फोर्थ फ्लोर
Okay. We do the last question and then we will do a score check and see if we have a clear winner or not. Okay? You guys are ready? You guys are ready? Savvy, hold on. Don't show.
पढ़ लेगा
Wait, I'm going to connect you on walkie-talkie.
Okay, I'm repeating also TT participants. Not now. 15:30. Please start heading to the fourth floor.
This time we also have walkie-talkies, by the way. We have also, thanks to our sponsors, our budgets have also increased. All those logos which you see are all sponsors. Please give a big round of applause. They have approved our walkie-talkie budget now. Savi sir, you got the message? Please show. Which channel is that? The one which is highlighted. Which channel is that? Which is this channel? This channel. This channel. What is this channel? Thinking. Thinking is good. Without naming this channel, has anybody transited this channel? Anybody in the, okay, there? Anybody else? Can't see. Please don't name the channel. Which is that channel? Don't say, please. You guys are done? Thinking finished? Thinking finished? Finished? Team offing, can you just collect? Dhak Dhak music can start.
चलो लगाते हैं। हमारा दूसरा ये बीच वाला
While they are waiting, three colleges, representatives, friends, please cheer them. They are very stressed right now. They could use your support. Two out of these three will, after this activity, hold a gold and a silver. Our first medal.
पास करो पास करना
I can see Captain from walking.
Okay, I'm back.
Done.
मिला उधर से
Wow. How did you like this competition? Good. You would like suggestions? Please keep getting suggestions how to make this more exciting. We had the last 5 editions, we had the paper marking. We said it's the digital world now, so let's go digital. So I think this was good fun. That's what I think. So yeah. कौन से college से हो आप? So the silver, you can stand up, all three of you. You can do a hold hands and all that. Do a Miss Universe kind of a thing. Or at least stand together.
कौन जीता
So the silver goes to IMU Kochi. Please step forward, IMU Kochi.
बोला
And
ना
who will get
अरे
the
सही सकता
gold?
क्या
Why nobody else is supporting the other team?
सेंस
Who's going to get the gold? So the winner is Sims.